and Namaskar. This is Dimple Chhotai and I am here to tell you about the Playgroup Program under SpringBoard Preschool Program. This is authored by me and published by Jeevandeep Edumedia Pvt, which we very popularly know as Periwinkle Books. Let me do an unboxing with all of you today. Let's understand what's there in this vibrant set of Playgroup books. This set has 9 books in all meant for toddlers of the age group 2 to 3 years. You can use this at home or you can use this at a daycare. This is absolutely an activity-based stimulation program for children for holistic development. Let's look at them in a little more detail. What does this comprise of? It has 6 colorful picture books which are all made with real photographs to give the best experience of learning and orientation to children. A little bit of print-rich environment with the knowledge of things around them. And this comes with a few more books, 3 more activity books. The first one, let me take you after those 6. That's the 7th book for us, and it is called as Rhymes and Songs for Playgroup. This book is integrated with audio visuals. You have online or e-learning available with it at the click of a button. It is a QR integrated book, and every rhyme and song you can just simply go through the page, show your child the pictures and scan the QR and show them the audio visuals. Listen to the melodious rhymes, sing to the tunes, have a foot tapping music time at home or at your daycare or at school. So let me take you to the next book now. The 8th book is about letters and numbers. Though very early, we're just orienting kids to the simple phonic sounds and formation of letters. Let us just do that little bit of reading, little bit of orientation to them. And that is where it has big pictures, big objects, big letters for identification, recognition and phonic revision or orientation for the first time. Along with this also has a little bit of initiation to one-to-one correspondence and number activities. So this book starts with a little bit of orientation towards the educational journey, just through reading, pictures, one-to-one correspondence and phonics. Then last and not the least, the 9th book is all about World Around Me. We saw the first 6 books. The picture books take us through the program in terms of what all you can orient children to, and the book, which is a worksheet book called World Around Me, is revising these concepts. It takes care of phonic revisions in terms of formation of letters and with some really nice skill building activities which take care of your fine motor, your attention span, and integrate and involve children into their learning journey through a revising method using worksheets. And it takes care of the phonics, it takes care of number activities as well. It revises and recapitulates the themes that were integrated and oriented to them through the picture books. So these are activities like puzzles, mazes or simple activities suitable to their age, developmentally appropriate activities for them, revising concepts, phonics and numbers. So these are the 9 books for Playgroup which I invite you all to see. If you wish to know a little more about these books, you can contact us through the link available in the description. Thank you so much. Looking forward to seeing your interest with us at SpringBoard Preschool Program. Thank you.